In this video, I will show you how to detect keyboard input in Unity. This is a simple but powerful technique that can be used to control characters, objects, and other elements in your game. The first step is to attach a C# script to the game object that you want to control. Once the script is attached, you need to create an update function. This function will be called every frame, so it's a good place to put code that needs to be executed regularly. The next step is to create an if statement in the update function. This if statement will check to see if a particular key is being pressed. If the key is being pressed, the code inside the if statement will be executed. To check if a key is being pressed, you can use the getKeyDown method. The getKeyDown method returns true if the specified key is being pressed down. It returns false if the key is not being pressed down or if it is being held down. The print method is a simple way to debug your code. It can be used to print out the values of variables, the results of calculations, and other information. This can be helpful for tracking down errors and understanding how your code is working. To check if your code is working, play the game and press the key mentioned in the code. You should see the output of your code in the console log. You can also use the getKeyUp method to check if a key is being released. The getKeyUp method returns true if the specified key is being released. It returns false if the key is not being released or if it is being held down. To check if your code is working, play the game and press the key mentioned in the code. You should see the output of your code in the console log. Finally, there is the getKey method, which detects keyboard input in Unity. It returns true as long as the user holds down the key identified by name. This code will cause the character to move forward, backward, left, or right whenever the corresponding key is pressed. To check if your code is working, play the game and press the key mentioned in the code. You should see the output of your code in the console log. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.